Welcome to the subject Database Management System. Today's session is session number 35. In the topic that we are going to study is domain constraints. Students who are studying, or who are in the chapter Relational Data Model and Database Constraints. So, domain constraints. In the relational model, the main types of constraints are the schema-based or explicit constraints. That is, those belong to second category. Students, we have studied three types of categories in the previous class. So, in the relational model, the main types of constraints are schema-based or explicit constraints, and these belong to second category. The schema-based constraints include domain constraints, key constraints, constraints on nulls, entity integrity constraints, and referentially integrity constraints. Students, in simple terms, constraints means conditions or limits that are put regarding the values that can be taken as far as developing a relational model is concerned. So today, out of the five schema based constraints, we shall take up the first category, that is domain constraints. Point number 3, domain constraints specify that within each tuple the value of each attribute A must be an atomic value from the domain DOM of A. Point 4, the way in which domains can be specified is discussed in section 5.1.1, that is, we have studied in domain and tuples in the previous classes. Point number 5, we are continuing with domain constraints. The data types associated with domains typically include standard numeric data types of integers such as short integer, integer and long integer, and real numbers such as float and double precision float. Point number 6, characters. So these are also different data types. Characters, booleans, fixed length strings and variable length strings are also available, as are date, time, timestamp and other special data types. Point number 7, domains can also be described by a subrange of values from a data type or as enumerated data type in which all possible values are explicitly listed. So students, we have studied the domains constraints, that is, the data types associated with domain typically include standard numeric data types for integers and real numbers, characters, booleans, fixed length strings, variable length strings, and also date, times, timestamps, etc. So these we shall study in the data types offered by the SQL Relational Standard in section 8.1. Students will be learning SQL, that is structured query language. In that we'll read more about these data types. Students, I'll be sending PDF of this. Please write it in your notebook and study. Thank you.